For today, I'll be sharing with you my recipe of red tuna pasta. Yan. So, ito na yung ating red tuna sauce. So, I am now presenting Momshie's red tuna pasta. Happy MOMday everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Momshie Sophie, and for today I'll be sharing with you my recipe of red tuna pasta. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it in order for you to be updated with my next videos. So, let's start. Since na-enjoy ko yung pag-film ko ng first cooking vlog ko, this time ay share ko naman sa inyo yung recipe ko ng red tuna pasta. So here are the ingredients. So these are the ingredients for my red tuna pasta recipe. So 1 clove of garlic minced, and then 1 red onion minced, Del Monte quality Italian style spaghetti sauce. Dahil gusto kasi ni Cloud yung Italian style, kaya ito yung binili ko na spaghetti sauce. Malaki itong nabili kong sauce, 1 kilogram. Kasi ito na lang yung available doon sa Pure Gold. And then 320 grams of UFC Tamis Anghang banana ketchup. Then, Remo Zita Penne. Siyempre, the star of the show, Century Tuna Hot and Spicy. So, dahil malaki itong nabili ko ng spaghetti sauce, so, gagamit tayo ng malaking Century Tuna. So, this weighs for about 420 grams. So, since walang available na 480 grams na flakes in vegetable oil, so, gagamit na lang tayo ng dalawang 180 grams ng Century Tuna Flakes in vegetable oil. So, if in case nagkulangan tayo ng Zita Penne, so I have here Ideal Gourmet Linguine as our additional pasta noodles. And then, of course, Eden cheese. Yan. Na-preheat ko na tong yung water para doon sa ating Zita Penne noodles. Then, nalagyan ko na rin siya ng salt and cooking oil para hindi magdikit-dikit yung mga noodles. So, hintayin ko na lang ito mag-boil para i-include itong Zita Penne. I will cook this for about 9 minutes. So, if in case na nakulangin yung pasta noodles, magluluto rin ako nito. Ayan. Para at least maraming makakain. Since kumukulo na itong tubig, i-add ko na itong Remo Zita Penne. Tapos para marami makakain, add mo itong Ideal Gourmet Linguine. So, hindi ko na muna nilahat kasi baka mamaya kulangin sa tubig. So, baka hindi maluto. So, later ka na lang paghihiwalayin yung Penne Zita tsaka tong Linguine. So, let's just wait for about 9 minutes para maluto itong pasta noodles. So, check na natin kung okay na yung pasta noodles, kung al dente na siya. okay na yung Zita Penne. Check ko naman ngayon yung Linguine. So, ito yung linguine. Okay na rin siya. So, i-drain ko na tong noodles gamit yung strainer, and then afterwards, iluluto ko na yung pasta sauce. So, this time, magluluto na tayo ng red tuna pasta sauce. So, na preheat ko na tong pan. So, instead nagagamit ako ng cooking oil, ang gagamitin ko, itong oil ng Century Tuna Hot and Spicy. Tapos, i-combine ko rin tong flakes in vegetable oil. So, ito na lang yung ginagamit ko kasing cooking oil o yung oil kung saan isusote ko yung garlic pati yung onion dahil nga meron na siyang lasa, so there's no need for me to add some pepper or other seasonings. Siguro mag-a-add na lang ako ng konting salt later on. Pero other than that, wala na, yun na yun. Tsaka ginagamit ko rin tong oil na to para at least to add flavor talaga doon sa red tuna pasta sauce. Next, garlic and onion. So, add ko na rin tong red onion. Next, add nyo tong Century Tuna Hot and Spicy. And then tong Century Tuna Flakes in vegetable oil. So, ito yung tuna hot and spicy and flakes in vegetable oil. Next, i-add ko na itong Del Monte Italian style spaghetti sauce. So, para masimot natin yung sauce, yung mga titirang sauce, lagay tayo ng konting hot water. And then, shake natin. Tapos, add natin mamaya. Para meron pa ring sweet style pa rin. So, mag-a-add ako ng UFC, Tamis, Anghang, banana ketchup. same thing, para hindi maaksaya yung mga ketchup doon sa loob ng bottle. Lalagay ako ng konting hot water dito sa bottle para hindi masayang yung mga ketchup. Then, shake ulit. So, since gusto ni Cloud yung Italian style, pero gusto niya rin yung medyo manamis-namis, kaya ako nag-add ng banana ketchup. Tapos ngayon, mag-a-add rin ako ng sugar. Mag-a-add ako ng 1 tablespoon ng sugar. So, add some salt to taste. So, ito na yung ating red tuna sauce. So, as you can see, I just mixed everything. Ganun lang siya kasimple gawin. So, what's nice in my recipe is that all flavors into one na siya. So, meron na akong spicy flavor because of Century Tuna Hot Spicy. Tapos, meron na rin akong sweet flavor because of the sugar, pati yung UFC banana ketchup. Meron rin sour taste because of Italian style spaghetti sauce. And of course, may salty flavor din because of the salt. At yung seasoning doon sa Century Tuna. Plus the fact that healthy talaga tong recipe ko kasi nga tuna nga yung ginamit ko. So, hindi na ako mag-a-add ng pepper kasi nga may seasoning na nga dun sa Century Tuna Hot and Spicy. So, since okay na yung pasta noodles, pati rin yung pasta sauce, mag-grate na ako ng cheese. So, I'm now presenting Momshie's red tuna pasta. So, ito yung linguine pasta and yung penne pasta. Tapos yung red sauce, cheese, and then for our drinks, royal naman. Kain na po tayo mga Momshies! So, pinili ni Cloud yung penne pasta. So, sa akin yung linguine. Super okay siya. Hindi dahil recipe ko to, but because nandun na nga kasi lahat ng flavor. So, merong spicy flavor because of Century Tuna Hot and Spicy. Tapos, meron rin siyang sweet flavor because of UFC banana ketchup, pati yung sugar na inad ko. And then, yung salty flavor because of the salt and other seasonings na nandoon sa Century Tuna. And, syempre mayroong a little bit of sour because yung Italian spaghetti sauce na ginamit. Plus the fact na healthier talaga yung pasta na to dahil nga tuna yung ginamit ko instead of pork or beef. So probably lunch, merienda, and dinner na namin tong pasta. Dahil nga marami nga yung naluto ko na pasta sauce. So that's it for our red tuna pasta vlog. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. You can also share this with your friends who love to cook pasta. You can also give your feedback, suggestions, and recommendation by commenting down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it in order for you to be updated with my next videos. So this has been Momshie Sophie rocking it to the road. Happy eating, everyone!